Hello everyone! Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Alfali Nasrani Pambeng.
My name is Mefen Fango.
My name is Sister Mevena Fadier.
My name is Rina Nugra.
My name is Yon Paradamatika.
Today we will tell how to make Banana Fritters chocolate cheese. And keep watching, guys!
I'm so hungry.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Aha! Why don't we make Banana Fritters chocolate cheese?
Yeah! Banana Fritters chocolate cheese!
Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 chocolate milk, 3 milk.
First, peel the bananas in. Cut the banana into 4 parts. Do this until finished. Second, stir in a bowl. And add water. Then using a spoon. And add the banana. Then mixture. Stir until evenly mixed. Pour oil. And turn on the stove. Until the oil is hot. Until golden brown. Stir and dry.
Pour the chocolate and milk over the fried banana. Sprinkle with grated cheese.
Delicious so.
Yummy and sweet.
Yes, the texture of fried banana is soft inside and greasy and crispy on the outside.
Yes! Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!